Imagine waking up one day and realizing that your life has not changed for years. The same routine, the same fears, the same excuses. You wake up in the morning, check your phone, scroll through social media, and see other people achieving things. Some are starting businesses, some are speaking confidently on stage, some are traveling the world, and some are building the life you once dreamed about. And suddenly, a small voice inside your head asks a powerful question. What am I doing with my life? But instead of answering that question, most people do something very dangerous. They ignore it. They say things like, maybe one day. I'm not ready yet. I'll start when the time is right. But the truth is, the perfect time never comes. Let me tell you a story. There was once a young boy who lived in a small town. He was not the smartest student in his class. He was not the most confident speaker. In fact, he was afraid to even raise his hand in class. Whenever the teacher asked a question, he knew the answer sometimes, but fear stopped him. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, fear of people laughing. So he stayed silent, day after day, month after month. He watched other students speak confidently, present projects, share ideas, and slowly become leaders in the classroom. And he kept telling himself something dangerous. Maybe I'm just not good enough. Years passed. One day, something happened that changed his life. His teacher gave the class a simple task. Every student had to stand in front of the class and speak for 2 minutes about their dreams. When it was his turn, his hands started shaking. His heart was beating fast. His mind was telling him to sit down and avoid embarrassment. But something inside him said, just try. So he stood up. At first, his voice was weak. His sentences were not perfect. His grammar was not perfect either. Some students smiled, some whispered, but he continued speaking. 2 minutes later, something unexpected happened. The teacher started clapping, and slowly the whole class started clapping. That day, he realized something powerful. People don't respect perfection, they respect courage. From that day forward, he made a promise to himself. Every single day, he would improve just 1%. He started reading books loudly. He started speaking English in front of a mirror. He watched videos to improve his communication skills. He practiced speaking even when he made mistakes. At first, it was uncomfortable, but growth always begins with discomfort. Days became weeks, weeks became months, and slowly something magical happened. The boy who was once afraid to speak became the person people loved to listen to. He started helping his friends improve their English. He started speaking confidently in presentations, and one day he even started teaching others how to speak better. Not because he was perfect, but because he never stopped improving. And the most beautiful part of the story is this. That boy was not special. He was not born with extraordinary talent. He simply made a decision to stop hiding, a decision to stop waiting, a decision to grow. And the truth is, every person watching this video has that same power. Your voice matters, your ideas matter, your dreams matter, but they will only grow if you give them courage. You don't need perfect English to start speaking. You need courage. You don't need perfect confidence to start improving. You need action. Remember this. Every expert you admire today was once a beginner who decided not to quit. So start today. Speak 1 sentence more. Learn 5 new words. Express your thoughts without fear. Because one day, if you stay consistent, you will look back and realize something incredible. The person you once wanted to become is the person you have become. And when that day comes, you will smile and remember the moment you decided to start. If this story inspired you and helped you practice your English listening skills, make sure you continue learning, continue speaking, and continue growing. This is your friend Shubh, and you are watching English with Shubh. And remember, your voice has the power to change your life.